Hey guys, this is AJ and welcome to Askprob blog. In today's video, we will be talking about how to delete all emails in Gmail inbox. If you find this video helpful, please press the like button and don't forget to press the subscribe button. To delete an email on your Gmail account, first of all, you need to open your browser. In my case, I love to use Google Chrome, but if you are using any other browser, you are free to use that. Now, go to the gmail.com website and sign into your Gmail account. In my case, I have already signed into my Gmail account, so that's why I will directly logged into my Gmail account. But if you haven't signed into your Gmail account yet, you just need to enter your email address and password and get into your Gmail account. After getting into your Gmail account, you need to click on the inbox. Here, you need to click on the select button which is available above the mailbox. Once you will click on the select button, your first page conversation will be selected. But we want to delete all emails at one click. So what we have to do, we have to click here, select all conversations in primary. Once we click on that option, we will see a message all conversations in primary are selected. Now we need to click on the delete button, so go ahead and click on the delete button. It is available here. Finally, you will be able to see a message that will be a confirmation message. Do you want to delete a bulk? This will be a confirmation message that says, do you want to confirm bulk action? Here you need to click on the OK button. Once you will click on the OK button, your messages will be deleted from your Gmail account. Now, if you want to delete messages from other folders as well, you can go ahead and perform the same actions to delete all messages. So this was the video about how to delete all messages in Gmail. If you have found this video helpful, please don't forget to press the like button and subscribe button. Thank you for watching Askprob blog.